last year has probably been the hardest year of my life.
我是在做老婆吧，没有出去，就待在我现在上海的这个家里。
J'ai fait des réunions Zoom, etc. pendant ces périodes. J'y adhère pas. C'est très important pour moi et j'ai un peu souffert quand même.
All the football stopped, so we stopped seeing everyone. You don't realize how much you take things for granted, but the best thing you can have is people around you that care for you.
Yeah. Being able to just talk to my family whenever, wherever, has really, I think, brought us closer.
Look, I have Kiki. We've unlocked a whole new way to engage with each other.
I cook with my wife. It's a good way of bonding. We play board games, we dance. I feel like this is my place to be here.
Now I feel like I'm really doing the things that I love doing every day, and it's been such a relief for my mental well-being. It's just my happy place.